Hey everyone, my name is Mandy Carlisle. I'm a lady boss from Republic, Missouri. I wanted to come on and do my supplement review of my LadyBoss labs that I've been taking for the last 3 weeks. I ordered the LadyBoss Lean, the LadyBoss Burn, and the LadyBoss Rest. So, whoops, I'll just start with the Lean. First off, I want to say how amazing this tastes. Oh my gosh, this tastes so amazing. This is absolutely the best tasting protein powder I have ever tried. And let me just tell you guys, like, I have tried them all, okay? Like, I have tried expensive ones, cheap ones, I've tried whey protein, I've tried pea protein, I've tried soy protein, like, I've just tried them all, okay? And a lot of them, they're just, nothing has matched up to this one so far. I'm telling you, I've tried so many, and this one absolutely tastes amazing. First of all, it completely mixes up. It is not chunky. It's a super fine powder. I would show you guys, but I literally only have like 1 scoop left in this bag. I've got another bag, but yeah, if that tells you anything, I've been taking them for 3 weeks. I've been using it for 3 weeks today. So, and it's got 30 servings in it. So you can tell, like, obviously I drink it more than once a day. You can drink it with just water and it tastes amazing. Like, you don't even need to put anything into this. You can just drink it straight with water. Just get all your vitamins and your protein, like, right after your workout, boom, right into your muscles. It's amazing. Or you can replace it as a meal. You can use it as like your breakfast. My favorite way is to use it as my breakfast and like a late night snack. Guys, let me tell you, like, this stuff, I'm telling you, I say I suffer because I do. I suffer from late night cravings. Late night cravings. Oh my gosh, like my worst enemy, right? I've tried everything to try and curb my late night cravings, but it never fails. Like 8 o'clock hits and I just want to go and eat everything in the cupboard, right? I've never been able to stop it. Drinking this a couple times, 1 to 2 times a day for the last 3 weeks, I'm not kidding you, I have not had a craving to binge on anything for the last, it takes about a week for everything to level out in your system and like your body to get used to it. But I'm telling you guys, like, my cravings are gone. They're gone. And I've lost 4 pounds since I started taking this. The scale has gone down 4 pounds. I can tell my belly is leaner. I can tell I have less fat. I have more definition in my abs just from 3 weeks, you guys. 3 weeks. Burn is another one. I take this one. This is the fat burner support. I take this one in the morning, usually with my LadyBoss shake, and then one right about noon with my lunch. This stuff, like, oh my gosh, I can't even say how, I can't keep saying how amazing it is, because it is. It's just amazing. Before I started taking LadyBoss Burn, I would get that like 2 o'clock slump like every single day. I needed to take a nap at like 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I was just like done with the day. I wanted to lay down, take a nap. That was it. Ever since I've started taking this, haven't even had a bit of sleepiness through the day at all. None at all. No feeling of needing to take a nap. And another thing, like, this doesn't make me like jittery either. Like, I'm not like running and buzzing around through the house. No, it just gives me that extra push. And in the gym, oh my gosh, my endurance just from taking this. I don't take a pre-workout or anything, you guys. I do not do pre-workout. But just taking this, my endurance, I can tell, like, I can go longer in the gym. I can, my workouts are longer, and the intensity of my, like the part where the intensity of my workouts are longer is what I'm trying to say. Amazing, amazing, amazing stuff. And like I said, I've gone down 4 pounds on the scale already. I kind of have creeped back up that 4 pounds over this last year, so I'm thrilled to have that back down and be back to where I like to be. The rest is the third one that I've been taking, and I really think that these two just work hand in hand. Like, I will not take one without the other anymore. Excuse me. The rest is absolutely amazing. I can see a difference. Like, I usually have my Fitbit on. I don't have it on right now, but I can actually see a monitored difference on my Fitbit sleep tracker than from when I started taking this. My average sleep per night has gone up by like 30 minutes. I used to get like 6.5 hours of sleep, and yeah, the last couple of weeks have been a consistent 7 hours of sleep a night, which is great for me. And yeah, and before that it was like 5 hours and 45 minutes, 6 hours and 6.5 hours. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. And also, like, the regularity of my sleep schedule has just completely like smoothed itself out. Before, I was going to bed anywhere from like 9 o'clock to like midnight. And I'd wake up anywhere from like 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. And since I've been taking this, you guys, I swear there has not been a day where I have not woken up and been out of bed anywhere past in between 6 and 6:10 in the morning. And the same thing with going to bed, 9:30 to 9:45, I have to be in bed and I'm asleep, and like, it doesn't make you groggy. I wake up, I feel absolutely refreshed, like I'm ready to go for my day. Like I said, I get up at 6 o'clock every morning now. I feel completely fine. Yeah, have my coffee, and then I have my LadyBoss shake, and then I have my LadyBoss burn, and I'm ready to go for another day. And it has been absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna tell you, like, I've thrown out all my other vitamins. I didn't take a fat burner or a rest supplement before, like I said, but I did take a multivitamin. I took a bunch of other different stuff. This has all the vitamins that you need for a day, so I don't even have to take my multivitamin anymore. It's great. I used to take like magnesium to help me sleep and stuff. I've thrown that all out. Like, I don't need it. All I need is my LadyBoss supplements. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a good day, and I hope you go and order your LadyBoss supplements.